How are we to know if the king, your husband, is still alive? But where did the king get such powers?
I don't know. He even attacked me. What?
Anyway, I'm happy people came here alive. That's my joy. This is your home. Stay, enjoy.
Thank you, Nick. Thank you.
Enjoy, feel free.
Thank you.
At home.
So how are you?
I'm fine, oh. I'm fine.
Old witch! How dare you tamper with my powers? The powers I give to you. You are devilish. Why will you drag my son into this? Why? Because you refused to keep to your words. Whatever you are today, I made you. I give you life. I give you enough! I owe you nothing. You better do the needful before it's too late. Never! Never! I will never give you my son to marry! Never! Never! Really? How could you forget so soon?
Abomination. How can we crown another heir when our crown prince is still alive?
This one you are talking of is like a child's play. As I speak with you now, our chief priest and Ikenna is dead.
He's talking about the chief priest and Ikenna. Where is our king? Is he still alive?
Hey.
This is an abomination. Oh! What is happening to us? No, what is happening to us in this kingdom? How are we going to find out whether our king was in there, in the burning house, or not? How do we know? What do we do to find out all this?
Who will tell us? We are all living in confusion. You are as confused as I am. But let me ask, where is the queen and the princess?
I understand the queen ran to her father's house with the princess.
I don't blame her. Where will she stay? When I told you people to trade with caution, you saw me as being childish Because we are wrong. Why did the gods not fight for you? Because we are wrong. You kept telling me tradition, tradition, tradition. Which tradition?
It has come to the stage where we should only be thinking about a way forward. What do we do? How do we get to find out whether the king was in his room before the palace caught fire or not?
But this Ikemefuna, how would they acquire such great powers?
Eh? You just called him Ike. Ike means power. Ike means power. Were you not the same person that was supporting the king when he was pushing him to the wall? I don't know what the king gave you. Now you're asking where he got the power. He got it from the Yamba.
I never need to come to this. I don't know what do we do.
I keep asking my question. Where is our king? And let us think about a solution. What do we do to help our kingdom?
What exactly is going on in this land?
No, I don't know. I am scared to the bone. Nobody actually knows what will happen the next minute.
So this is how we lost our king.
No burial, nothing at all. A great king.
Listen. Did you hear that sound?
I heard nothing. I am feeling strange. Please, let's go. The lips that talks without consulting the brain will put the head at risk.
Do not allow your uncultured tongues to lead you into an early grave. Do not meddle in matters that are deeper than you.
Now run to your homes before you are consumed by the wrath of the great Olamiri.
came after all. I told you. I told you. I told you I'll be back. I have come to take my son. Break the spell you have on him right now. And if I don't? Then you will have me to contend with. Really? Then let me see you do that.
Mother!
Oh, Nne. Welcome.
How? This is the man. He's a well-known herbalist in this kingdom.
I don't want him to treat me.
What?
Mamba!
Why? He is not just a herbalist. He's well known in this village. Eh?
Mama, tell him to leave here at once.
Eh?
But why? Get out!
Go now. I will see you
Out!
later.
He's just an herbalist.
Mama. Tell this thing to leave this place now.
Leave now. I will see you later. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. But where have you taken me to? Where is this?
Mother. 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 Mother!
I forbid you to have anything to do with that evil woman. She is out to destroy you.
No, Mama. She's my love and my happiness. Why do you even interrupt our happy moment?
She is not your love. And I will not allow her spell on you to hold. She is on a mission to destroy you and the throne.
I don't believe you. If you don't mind, I want to go back to my love.
Never. I will not be alive and watch that happen. Now listen. The princess is about to leave this kingdom. Do not allow her to get into Obata kingdom. Is that clear? Go at once.
Woman with protruded buttocks thinks she was blessed by the benevolent spirits until a heavy rainfall starts in the marketplace and she finds it difficult to run. What are you doing here today, an Eke market day in Obata Kingdom? Do you want to get killed and sacrificed to the Obata deity?
No, please. I'm a stranger here and I'm not accustomed with the traditions of this land. Please. I mean no harm.
The head will not have enough time to remind the lips that it was its utterances that made the sword descend twice. Do you want to get killed?
Please,
Then, what are you doing here?
I was banished from my kingdom. No, I'm in danger. I'm in danger, sir. I was attacked by Please. I mean no harm. Please.
fellow elders, I greet you.
We greet you too. We greet you too.
My priest, I greet you.
You're welcome.
We, the elders in council, are not happy the way things are going on in this kingdom.
Exactly.
That is why we called for this meeting. We don't know whether our king is still alive or not. We want to know, what plan do you have for this kingdom?
Nobody knows if the king is alive or not. Only Olamiri knows.
And who is Olamiri?
Olamiri is my wife.
So, the prince is married and we're not aware. Excuse me. I hope you are not talking about the priestess of Ekemili.
She is the one. I am married to her. And to solve the problems we are facing in this community, I must bring her here as my wife. Only then will all the calamities, the problems, will stop. She has given her orders. I have only 4 market days to bring her to Ozurumba Kingdom as my wife.
Hey, we are doomed.
Does he know what to do? That woman is heartless.
Exactly.
Ozurumba, it is time. It is time to adore your king and pay homage with your lives.
That is so strange. But I will help you. You will have to stay with me until my father returns. My father traveled to a faraway kingdom to treat his friend who was attacked by some evil spirits. I know my father very well, and I know the efficacy of his medicine. I know he will have a solution to your problems. You just have to stay with me until he returns.
Thank you very much. I am grateful, very grateful.
You're welcome.
Evil is ruling the land, oh, yeah. We don't For evil is taking over a land. Who we fight for?
Why are you standing there like
Who
that?
we go for? People are dying.
I think I saw her.
Mothers are crying because of a land. My back with the bag.
You saw who?
Enough woman, enough woman,
I do not know. But I am sure she was here.
What are you talking about? Who was here? You're scaring me.
Let's go in.
Radio without battery, where are you going to?
So if you have not heard, our Prince Kemefna, has commanded everybody that wants to go to farm or market to go and come back quick and assemble at the village square before noon. Our Prince is welcoming his new wife today.
Are you sure about this?
It is because I am bigger than you. I'm equally older than you.
Why haven't I seen you with any maiden in this kingdom?
Someone is interested in me.
Who is she and where is she?
Here. Right here.
You've been very nice to me since I got here. I want to say thank you. You've been very amazing. You've been nice to me since I got here. And I think I want to know more about you.
Well, I have been so lonely before someone special ran into me on my hunting day.
Not yet, son.
Father, I was not expecting you to be back so soon.
I know. I came back because of her.
Welcome, Nai.
How are you, my daughter?
I'm fine, sir.
Father, you said you came back because of her. How did you know she was here?
You are the son of Anyago, yet you do not know your father. I am that man that sees it all.
I am surprised.
You are surprised I interrupted you? It's all right. Go and keep my bag.
All right, Father. there is nothing I have not seen in this village. Oh, look, there's nothing I have not seen in this village. How can all the atrocities I know happen in this kingdom? How can a prince get married without consulting the elders in council? Not only he got married, but he got married to a malevolent witch, the goddess of Ekemere. Can you imagine?
I am speechless. I'm speechless. That woman will not spare anyone, not even one person in this kingdom. I foresee doom and calamity. The coming days are going to be the darkest this kingdom has ever had. How are we going to live harmoniously or in peace with that Obanje? Maka na oke na ogini anaghị agbakọ ofu nkwa. Oke na ogini anaghị agba ofu nkwa. They don't dance to the same tune of drum.
That is exactly the question that has been bothering me. How do we live? In fact, how do we even exist in this kingdom? That witch. You know what will happen? She will kill all of us. All of us.
This is a new dawn.
Where did you keep it?
It must be at the last spot.
Hey, see, let me rush and go get my cutlass because that's my mother's favorite cutlass. Okay, I'll meet up with you people later at the village square, please.
Let us go.
Azoka, today will be a remarkable day in Uzulumba Kingdom.
Remarkable indeed. I can't wait to be at the village square.
Me too. Hey, my mother will be there by now.
Mine too.
What will you wear?
I'll wear the most expensive clothes in my box.
Hey, I trust you. Hey, let's rest for a while before we go home.
Okay.
Gloria. Gloria.
This way. This way.
Where is he coming from now?
The heir apparent to our throne. Where is he?
Where is our prince?
Ikemefuna is no more. I am now the king.
Kenny.
Eh?
Abomination!
That will not happen.
Abomination!
It's not possible.
Abomination! That is not possible.
That happened in our kingdom.
A woman as king. Ha! Man, it's not possible. It cannot happen. Ha!
Let me say this. A woman cannot rule this kingdom.
Never.
When we have capable men in this kingdom.
Oh!
That cannot happen.
It's not possible.
Tell.
Making yourself king of this kingdom? How?
What are you doing? Shut up!
How dare you talk back at Olamiri? The keeper of the seven seas.
over our land. Who we fight for us? Who we go for us? People are dying, mothers are crying, because of our land. Oh. Now beg with the bag, oh. In a woman.
You're welcome to my kingdom. I am Olamiri, the keeper of the 7 seas. Are you ready to serve this throne in my reign? With all your might and strength?
Yes, my queen, we are privileged to be here.
We are here to serve you till death.
I like the sound of that. Here to serve me till death. Olamiri is a goddess. A fearless goddess that keeps her own. Yet, a fairy goddess that consumes. Are you sure you're ready to sail?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Who are you people? And what are you doing in my compound?
We came to pay you a compulsory visit.
Compulsory visit? You must be mistaken. I am a poor widow.
Save your strength, woman. We're here to deliver a message from the great Olamiri. Your sons were consumed by her wrath. They were never destined to be king, but you pushed them.
I didn't push them. The king offered them. It has nothing to do with me.
Now you will die a sad widow for trying to take what belongs to Olamiri, the great goddess, the keeper of the 7 seas.
So you people have not heard? Have you not heard that Olamiri is visiting every household tomorrow? And she has commanded everyone to keep their best harvest for her.
Hi.
If not, anybody that fails to do so will face her wrath. It's so bold.
Are you sure of what you are saying? Radio without battery. Every time we're going about with different news.
More. Radio without battery.
This one will surprise you. We can survive her reign in this village?
Hey, my sister, nobody knows what tomorrow will bring. Short, I am tired of this kingdom. You can't go more.
Only the gods can save us in this kingdom.
Only the gods.
Only the gods.
Let the gods come to our rescue.
Okay, people are going out.
Yes, sir.
Is there any food inside? Because I got it.
I'm no fear. Jack, I put
All I'm going to revenge for what you caused.
How? I don't understand.
So, okay. What is it? You look so far away. What is it?
Obim, I have an uneasy feeling about your half-brother.
My half-brother. An uneasy feeling about him. What could it be?
He doesn't seem to be what he claims to be. And I have this deep feeling that he's not in support of you being the next king of this kingdom.
Okay. You worry too much. You worry too much. Have you ever seen any person or at any point that people can come against who the gods have chosen? No one. No one in Ozurumba kingdom can come against me, Ozondo. The gods have decreed that I will be the next king, not even my brother. Can't come against that. And besides, you worry too much. He's my half-brother and he meant well for me. He cannot harm me. I am decreed to be king and I shall be king. Can you put a smile on that face? No, not that. I need that smile. The usual smile that comes like the morning rose. Can I see that? More like it.
Great mother of the sea, my hearts are broken. My bones are weak. My joy, my happiness has been taken away from me. The true essence of life has been taken away. I come to you to grant me one request. I'm ready to serve you to your death. If only you can give me the power to make this land suffer for the pains they brought into my life.
For how long will you continue to mourn Uzondo? He's dead and gone.
Uzondo was my life. Yet they took him in his prime. They punished and sent him to his death.
Wipe your tears, my dear friend. Well, I'm here to inform you about the Egwanwa dance. Ochuba is about to pick his pride.
I'm not interested. I'm not interested.
What is the connection between Olamiri and my mother?
In a bid to successfully revenge what they caused her, she visited your mother, Goma. She promised her to help her being chosen by the future king of Ozurumba Kingdom during the Igwonwa ritual dance, meant for the future king of Ozurumba Kingdom to choose a bride.
I can see you desire so much to be chosen by your Chuba during the Igwonwa dance. Who amongst the maiden in this kingdom does not want to be chosen? I've always dreamt of becoming the queen of this great kingdom. Okay, I'll help you achieve that dream. But it must come with a price. Are you ready to pay? Yes, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Lost in the euphoria of that, your mother never bothered to ask the price. Olamiri used her power to make Ochumba, your father, fall in love with Ugoma, your mother, for a price.
And what is the price?
To marry the prince of Ozurumba Kingdom.
That is impossible. How do you expect me to agree to such a devilish request? Olamiri, you are my friend. But this is totally unacceptable.
Goma, you made a promise. By your lips, you proclaimed that you're ready for this. It is a pact that must be kept.
I don't understand this. But my brother the prince is young enough to be her son. What exactly does she want to achieve by marrying him?
My daughter, her main mission was the throne, not your brother, not the prince. She was only using him to get hold of the throne and destroy Ozurumba Kingdom.
Father, this is serious. Why did she not kill Igwe Ochuba, since she has the power to do so, and then take over the kingdom?
My children, Olamiri knew that the joy of revenge is better served cold. She manipulated Izuna, the son of Ekema, to ask for the throne in order to get your brother, the prince, and destroy the kingdom.
Your Majesty. Woman, where is our harvest?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. We have not harvested our crops. But I promise I'll bring the best when I harvest them.
So I have to wait for you to harvest your crops before I can feed? You will pay with your life.
No need, Your Majesty. This household has nothing to give to you. But I have offered to serve you with humility all the days of my life. Only if it pleases you.
She wants to be one of my servants.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Accepted.
No, Your Highness. No. She's my only child. I am a widow. Please, she's my only child. Please have mercy upon me. Pity me, please. Please, Your Highness. Please.
Quiet! She knew all that before she opted to serve me.
Oh, can't see you.
I love the offer.
Oh!
Yes, Your Majesty.
Hey!
It is the best gift I have received today. Let's go.
I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
No.
Nothing will happen to me.
Don't go. Don't go.
You said you did not enter the house.
No, Your Majesty. No.
Woman. Step aside.
No. Mama.
Liquor.
Yes, Queen Mother.
Attend to her.
No.
is taking over our land. Hey. Who